Now, good evening, and please look at this video. This is the website. So this is just the software is all about. After clicking on software, it's going to bring you to stuff like this. Then it's going to tell you to sign in or sign up. Then please let us register first. So these are the products. Anyhow, we are not here for this now. If you want to register, just come to this sign up here and click on it. After clicking on it, the surname may be Enosa Bota. Then your name may be Victoria. Your email, you can just write victoria@gmail.com. Then your password, just put me. I'm going to put Victoria in my case. Then your number must not be, it must be exactly 11 numbers. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Sorry, it must be exactly 10 numbers. Then address, put anything of your choice. Then sign up. Can you see that it is telling you to click here to log in? Then we click there. So it's going to take us to the front page back. Then we go to sign up. Then we press victoria@gmail.com. Then this place to my password Victoria. Then we log in. After clicking on the login, then click on your F5 for you to reload. Then can you see that it has already reloaded by representing hello and no sabota. Now these are your products. If you want to buy something like cabinet, you come here. If you want to buy anything like smartphone, you come here. Solar batteries, you come here. Solar energy system, switch power system, and solar air conditioner. And these are the products. Maybe you want HP product or Samsung product or Apple product. Did you get that now? For example, I want to buy solar battery. If I click on okay, I want to buy this one, add to cart. Can you see that I already add one here? If I click on it, can you see the product here? Then with the price that is here, and again we are not here for that. I want this one to add. Can you see that it is already 2? This is it. Now that's how you'll be doing. Okay, I'm not buying this one, I want to buy air conditioner. If I click on air conditioner, it is this one that I want. No, this one, add to cart. Can you see that it has already changed to 3? Can you see that now? Okay, now I've already purchased the product I want to buy. Then I'll come to this place. Can you see this cart here? If you want to change your password, just come here and change your password. If you want to log out here, for this place, for all the product that I bought, I'll just click on the cart here. Can you see all the products? Then you click on. Can you see that 120 plus 453 plus 132 is giving us 705? If you want to delete it, you can delete it here. Maybe I don't want any product, you can delete them here. So if I delete one, can you see that I already get deleted? Can you see a source of item removed from cart? Then we have $573 left. Then you just click on checkout. Can you see that it is already telling us that the payment is successful? If you want me to add payment store, that one yellow file. Now you have hello and no sabota. Your payment is successful. Your transaction ID is this. You can continue your shopping. So if we go back to so can you see that now? Then we are free to go. That's just everything that the software is all about. But this one, can you see that we have cart, change password, and only log out here. So if you want to change your password, you can kindly click on that and you change your password. But please let us log out for now. Then I want to log in as admin. Don't forget, I want to log in and as admin. So the one that if you register like a normal human being, that's means that you are logging in as a user. But now I want to log in as admin. I already have an admin before. The name of the admin is fuskidon@gmail.com. Then the password is fuskidon. Did you understand that now? Then I log in. After logging in, can you see that it's telling me hello Abdelhamid? Can you see that this one is different from the red? The one for normal user, it is going to have cards, change password, and logout. But for this one, it is admin add products because it is admin. Now admin will be able to add more products. For example, now look at this battery. No, don't let me use the solar battery. Let me use switch power system. Can I say that we only have 2 here? Then I have to add one more switch power system. I will now come here. I will now click on add products. I intentionally want to open it on another face. So I will now click on add products. Can you see where I am? I already want to add products. So can you see that now? So I'll just click on which category did I want to add. It is this switch power system. Don't forget I said that it is this switch power system that I want to add. This switch power system. So I'll click on switch power system here. Brand the one HP lo ṣe àbí Apple àbí Sony. I'll just choose okay. Sony lo ṣe o. Kí mo fẹ́ add. Switch power system. What's the price? I can say that 342. Then the keyword about pro, you can put anything of your choice here. Then I'll just come here. I have the pictures here already, so I'll just look for switch power system. I think I'm saving it. Yes, can you see that this one now? I'll just choose it. You make sure you fill everything, then you click on submit button, submit form. Click on submit form. To submit it by. If you come kind of that it is so that is here. If you click on it, should you it add by 342 to add by. So if I want to add to cart, check what to add the more cart by. So everything is already dynamic. To buy the money by, you click on quick look. So we got about connect by won't be by. Did you understand? If you want to close it, click on close. You can also close it here. So if you wish to. Did you understand that now? Then this product now, if I want to buy, I'll just click on this cart here. After clicking on cart, then check out. After clicking on checkout, we must communicate my payment is successful. You don't understand that now? So that's all this stuff is all about. Then if you want to log out, you log out back. So if you have any question, let me know.